3, 2, 1.
Likod ng bahay ko kasi naglalakad ako, early walking ko. Ngayon natumba ako na hindi ko alam kung paano ako natumba, kaya nasa hospital ako. Fractured ang aking elbow. So ayun, nagsuffer ako ng sakit sa aking katawan. Kaya kailangan dapat talaga magdahan-dahan sa paglalakad. Naka-assessment ako. So, inaano nila ako ng Medical Assessment Planning Unit kasi hindi nila alam kung paano ako natumba at gusto nilang malaman anong reason bakit ako nag-collapse at hindi ko alam. So guys, ito yung breakfast ko dito. Diyos ko, nagiging OC na ako ngayon. At saka, ewan ko, ito ata ay tea, yeah. Tea. So, yan ang breakfast dito sa hospital. Kasi hindi ito private. Dito ako sa public hospital. Good morning, good morning, good morning guys. This is Dancing Talong Mama. Sa ngayon ay nandito pa ako sa hospital sa aking pagka-paint ko. Hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin ako. So ito yung background ng yung sala to ng hospital guys. Flex ko sa inyo ha. So guys, tingnan nyo. Ito yung lounge ng hospital. So yan. So yan guys. So this fridge is for patient use only. Yan sila. So yan, may mga pala dito. May water pala dito. Plastic jug. Yan. May particip yan pang Tapos yan guys, part pa rin yan ng hospital. Yan ang dinadagdag ngayon sa hospital. Doon sa kabila yun ang parking lot doon. Tapos dito, yan, another hospital. Palaki ng palaki ang Logan Hospital guys. Palaki ng palaki. Tapos yun ang daan. Yan. So, tingnan mo guys. Napakaganda ang Tapos doon guys, yun ang hospital. So, tingnan mo guys. Public hospital to dito ng Australia pero napakaganda. Malinis at saka tingnan nyo. Malinis yan. Tapos yan ang coffee nila, yan ang tea nila. Matingnan nga natin to. Matingnan natin. Ano tong sa loob? Ay, hindi ko mabuksan. Good afternoon guys, this is Dancing Philomena again. So ngayon guys, nandito pa rin ako sa hospital. Tiningnan ako ng doktor at sinabihan ako, equip nila ako ngayong araw na to at baka equip nila ako ng baka bukas ilalabas nila ako. So, flex na lang guys. So, ito yung lunch ko guys. Vegetable lasagna daw to. Tapos peaches. Tapos yan. So, ito yung pagkain nila guys. Yan. So guys, ito yung breakfast ko ngayong araw na to. May third day in the hospital. Pangatlong araw ko sa hospital. So, yan ang breakfast ko guys. Bread rolls, cornflakes, banana. So, ito yung lunch ko for today. Is Wednesday, is 3. My 3 days in hospital. So, ito yung aking lunch. Yan. Orange, tsaka orange juice. So, guys, ito yung hapunan ko ng Wednesday. Ayan o. So, ang pagkain ko ay tuna patty and vegetable. And, ayan, apple. And tea. So, ayan ang tuna patty and vegetable.
Hey guys, this is Dancing Philomena and Michael. You're out of the hospital now?
So, I stay in 3 days because I swim on my backyard. I swim in my backyard and I don't know if how deep is my how deep is my swimming pool. Swimming pool without.
Oh, show them your arm.
I swim in the swimming pool without water. So see you guys. Hi guys, I'm already here. I'm already here at home and look at what happened. For now, I'm already learned not to swim without water. So that's a big lesson for me not to swim without water. Is that right?
That's a very good lesson.
What did you say?
What?
What did Michael say? I learned Hogan.
That's a very good lesson to learn.
Oh, a very good lesson.
Very good.
Try going to a pool that has no water.
Yeah, without any water. That's not good.
Yes, but that's the big lesson that I learned. Don't swim with a pool without water.
Otherwise, this will happen.
Otherwise, this is what happened. So now, because it's been a long time, it's 3 days I'm in the hospital now.